Step by step, I've walked 100 miles and I still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer and the wind blows louder when you wandered so far from home. If I cross your mind, say a prayer, I find my way.
Hello to all of you and welcome to Born Free on Two Wheels. Today is a very hot day here in Galicia, 36 degrees. So if it was for two, we didn't have any plans, but we love to drive motorbikes and we love to make videos for you. So today we are just going to go on an easy trip up to the mountains in Ribeira Sacra and show you the road. That was as I say, we are driving with two cams on, a DJI and a GoPro there is sitting up behind me, so you can see how the bends are and everything. And when we have reached the goal down, then we let the drone fly up so you can see the whole area beautiful. So if you're up to it, then start your engines and come with us. Vamos!
Okay, my friends, if you have followed the channel, then you also know exactly where we are now. Everything you see here, as far as the eye reach, is wine made in Galicia, growing on the mountainside as far as your eye can see and reach. It's a fantastic, beautiful area, and today we are only up here on a nice tour to show you the road and the area, and work ourselves slowly down to the Rio. And Sabrina, she's sitting with a GoPro. So she is trying to take the whole road, so you better can see the bends and everything. If it will be a success, we will see. I hope so. But look at this, folks. It's a hot summer day. It's 4 o'clock. It's 36 degrees. It's a little hot. We are burning. So when we come down, then we have to have some of our clothes off, because oof, it's fire. As my wife always say, it's fire. And Ribeira Sacra is not a place where we are driving race or anything. That is just not possible. Not if you want to survive it. Even, unfortunately, I see many times young ones come on their motorbikes with their girlfriend behind, and they think they are in what is it called down here in Spain? MotoGP. In this motor there's a race. I don't know what they want to prove, but one little mistake and it is sure death for both of them. So it's not something I can understand they are doing, but up to them. But look at this area here, huh? And look at the road here. It's small, tiny. But the area is breathtaking. Whoa. And it's the most visited area of people on motorcycles. It's a fantastic place. When we come down, we will let the drone fly up over the area, so we all can enjoy this beautiful video. We should have been up to the last monastery we are missing, but we take that next time. Today we just want to go through Ribeira Sacra, and in fact it's too hot to have any plans. Oh my god. Unfortunately, there's many people that is driving on motorcycle in this summer heat here. They are driving in shorts. It's a terrible thing to see. I would say I can understand them, but it is much better to take your motorcycle clothes on, and then when you reach your destination, then off with the shit. Because even in the summer, even in the sun, even if it's nice and hot, then there can still happen many terrible things if we have an accident on our motorcycle. So it's not something I will recommend for anybody. They have put up new signs here. 40 in the bend. Nice. Look at all this wine. Oh. Next month they begin to take it down. Maybe we are up here and take them from above. It's fantastic to, what can I say, see them go there and take everything down by hands. There's no machines here, nothing. The cars is holding down here, get vessel loaded and drive away. It is hard work, but it's out in the nature. But it must be hot, huh? but it's a beautiful area to have your daily work in. But fuck me, I say, it's damn hot. Next month we will be overflowed of tourist people up here. The autobuses will come and everything. All the tourist people will be here. It is mostly Spanish people that is coming here to run away from the coast where we are, the Scandinavian people, the English people, the German people, and we are crazy. And it's also too hot down there, so they are coming to Galicia and Asturias. Here it's not so hot up here, even here it's also hot, but it's not over 40 degrees. It is not.
Hello everybody, we have just arrived to our favorite place here in Ribeira Sacra. We have to have some of all those clothes off here. There's fire, I tell you that, there's fire. So, I'll be back in a moment. Yeah, okay, here is full of motorcycles up here. Today we are not the only ones. We are coming driving all the time. But can you blame them? Even we have been here hundreds of times, we love this place because when you just come here, you get taken and think about how old this area here is. It is thousands and thousands of years old. Everything here. And it's so beautiful. And I hope I will see some of you here one day. Now, let's get the drone up flying. friends, Ribeira Sacra is really the motorcycle people's area. You should come up and then as a visit this place and give me a message on YouTube. Then we can hook up here. It could be funny. And I tell you, you will not be disappointed. Now we will drive home, and I know Sabrina, she will make something to you of the motorcycle we are on today. It's the big Bimmer. It's very hot here, so we have to get out of here and go home and get something to drink. I talk to you when we are at home. Okay? Thank you. Yeah, we are home again. It was hot, but it was a nice tour. Easy, tranquil, no problems, and many motorbikes. We could have taken many more on the camp, but okay, next time maybe. But it is a nice area, and I hope I sometimes this year see some of you up there. Write to me down in the comments. Okay, you know me, I will be back.
Step by step, I've walked 100 miles, and I still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer in the